you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello to everyone who are visiting my channel for the first time. I am Aprajita and I make videos on makeup, skincare and various other topics. So if you like my video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I am basically going to review a product. As you all know that Pantene has come up with a very fascinating product, that is Pantene oil replacement. So I have been using it for over a month now and I just want to share my views on it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, this is the Pantene oil replacement. So firstly, let me read what this says. So it says that Pantene has invented the incredible oil replacement to give your hair the multiple benefits of natural oil without the inconvenience. It nourishes hair, reduces hair fall and helps repair damage. It also acts as a final touch, leaving hair soft and smooth. This is because its formula contains the power of oils with Pantene Pro V science to treat hair, while its creamy texture leaves it smooth without the stickiness. Okay, now let me tell you my experience. Now I enjoy oiling, I wouldn't deny the fact, but yes, it makes your hair sticky and it is very inconvenient when you have to go out to parties or maybe for any purpose. If you are wanting to go out, you can't go out like that with a sticky hair, right? So now talking about that, then you can go for Pantene oil replacement. But then I enjoy the massaging part of oils, so I will always stick to oiling. But for sometimes, if you are in a hurry or some other reasons, then you can opt for this one. Now Pantene oil replacement is not only used for, oiling your hair or something like that. You can use it as a heat protectant, you can use it as a serum, you can use it as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner. So there are multiple uses of Pantene oil replacement. Now talking about the packaging, I would like to say that it comes in this tube kind of a packaging, and in this golden packing it comes. It has a flip kind of a cap which opens like this. And then talking about the texture, as it was said, it really has this creamy texture, as you can see. Yeah, this is the texture. It is very rich and thick kind of a formula. Now it smells amazing, like it smells heavenly, and that is one of the features. I'm very much satisfied and attracted to this product. It smells like amazing. Like after shampooing and conditioning your hair, it will work as a wonderful serum. I mean, it smells amazing, and it stays in your hair for about 2.5 days if you maintain it. So it is amazing that ways. It will not make your hair like sticky, because you can see it is a creamy texture, so you may feel that it may leave your hair sticky and stuff, but no, just take a walnut amount of this product, and it is mentioned also in the directions of a packaging that you need to take a walnut amount for your hair. But again, I'm talking about the middle length, the two short length hairs. But if you have too long hair, then you need to take an appropriate amount. So you need to take it, then you need to, I've already taken a bit, then you need to massage it in to your hands like this, and then apply it to your hair. Okay, you can apply it to your wet hair, and also you can apply it to your dry hair. That's the benefit. Okay. Now talking about the price, it is very affordable product. I got it at the MRP price of ₹85. If it is on sale, then you can get it on a lesser price than this. So yeah, that was my take on it. Just let me know whether you liked the video or not. If you liked it, please don't forget to share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also write in the comment section what all videos you want me to make. Thank you.